Introducing Around the Ground, Kish. ATG, Kish, is a driving simulator software for those who want to experience their dream car at its full potential in a summery island. You can customize your ride and even add your car to the software. In these scenes, you may see a small portion of the items and car parts that you can modify. Each car part will affect the car physics based on real data, which means if you modify your car visually, it will affect the handling and vehicle behavior too. A newer tuning system will be replaced with this. There are more than 290 variables to tweak for your car. You can be sure that it is possible to simulate your dream car as realistic as possible. With this software, you can have fun, drive and enjoy the summery island. In the next video, you can see its physics system in action. Around the Ground, Kish. Thanks for watching.